Hey guys, so impromptu, I am going to make dinner. Decided I'm going to do stuffed chicken breasts. So what I'm going to do here is I have my chicken breasts. I'm going to stuff them with some spinach and basil. So super easy. You're going to turn your stovetop on, throw in a little bit of olive oil. Now I have my fresh spinach right here. I'm going to throw in a handful of that. Pretty easy. I'm going to throw also in a dash of garlic. Whoa, yum yum. Now to make this taste extra fresh, I have some fresh basil here. So I'm going to chop, chop, chop. Throw it in here. Just going to let this saute. A little bit of oregano. All right, so while this is sauteing, I am going to now prepare my chicken breast. So what I've done here is I have trimmed off all the fat off the chicken breast. I'm going to slice a little pocket, super easy, in each chicken breast. Now this will not work with thin breasts, and this one here is kind of on the thin side, so don't cut yourself. Do you guys like my bracelet? Check it out. It says, trust the process. My weight loss people are doing awesome. They're trusting the process. They're not getting overwhelmed by all of the millions of things that you have to remind yourself while, voila, while being on a food plan. So I'm gonna come on over here. I'm gonna check this out, my spoon. Now I just want this to kind of wilt up just a little bit. Stirring that all in there. Okay, so now that is sauteing, what I'm going to do is I am going to prepare what I'm going to put on top here of, or as a side dish on with the chicken. So what I've done is I've gotten a bunch of plum tomatoes, this is the season. I'm gonna slice these right down the middle. Now you can do this with any vegetable. I just happen to feel like having the plum tomatoes. I got a big old container of them yesterday when I was at the store. And those of you that have gardens, these are great to grow. So what I've done is I've kind of put them face down in here. I'm gonna grab a couple more. All right, voila. So now it's time to stuff. I have my spinach. Doesn't that look, oh, it smells even more amazing. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little feta. I'm gonna throw it all in here. Now you don't wanna throw the feta in too early because it'll melt. So you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to take my first breast. I'm gonna scoop in some of that. Now be really careful when you do this, not to overstuff. Kind of seal it shut there. Place it on top of the tomatoes. Take another one here. Yes, I have iron fingers. Somehow that doesn't affect me. Number 2. And looks like we have enough for number 3 here. Voila. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Okay, so now I have this prepared. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a quick little preview of what that looks like. I'm going to add a little bit more oregano. I'm going to take a little bit more fresh basil. Throw some on top. Now when I'm all done, I'm gonna roast this at 425 for about 45 minutes until everything is browned. What I'm going to do then is I'm gonna serve it with a little feta on the side and my absolute favorite, Kalamata olives. So, so good. So once this is done, pop it in the oven here. And I will send pictures soon. You guys, I hope you enjoyed it.